When you open the Hi Solar Plus application, you will find the Start menu. On this page, you can click on the button to see developer credit on the bottom right. And if you're ready to have fun learning the solar system, just hit the Start button. On the main menu, there are three main function buttons. The first, Scan AI button is used in conjunction with the book. Once pressed, wait for the download page for a few minutes. In the meantime, have your child prepare your books for AI scanning. From there, take a look at the book with the AI scan symbol. Various star models will appear that can be shortened. You can zoom in and rotate the details of the model. With the button, turn on sign language narration. When press that button, it will display a video describing the content of all the stars in sign language. Appears on the left screen. But if you want to turn off the sign language video commentary, press the cross button on the top of the video frame. And a turn on off star analysis button is only available in front of the sun. By pressing this button, it will show the internal structure and atmosphere of the sun. But to turn it off, press the Analyze Stars button in the same position. There is also a photo button to save photos of various star models to the mobile phone. Second, Burn button. When pressed in, you will be able to slide left and scroll right to select the contents of the stars you want to learn. Once you have selected the desired star, press Enter to find the selected models and key content of the stars. To change the stars, the left or right buttons can be pressed to switch to other stars. Third, Game button. When pressed, there are two difficulty modes to choose from: Easy mode and Hard mode. Each mode has a total of 10 questions. Here's how to play. Read the questions and choose the right answer. If the question is answered correctly, it will appear green. But if the answer is wrong, it will appear red. Once all 10 questions have been completed, the results of the points received will be summarized. To exit the game, press the cross button on the top right. A pop-up will pop up confirming the exit, and you will need to restart the game. In addition to the three main buttons already described, on this main menu page, there is also a How to Play button that will guide you through the various functions. This button is already inserted in each of the three main pages, and there is a button Open e-book to be able to open the HI Solar Plus Solar System Adventure book online.